This is the map of Manawag, wherein the BEC, usually is called Basic Ecclesial Community, is has another name, becoming a Eucharistic communities. Why a Eucharistic communities? Because in these 22 chapels of the parish of Manawag, we always celebrate the Saturday and Sunday masses. So here we have the different chapels here in Manawag. And this is like, for example, Santa Ines, Borac, and okay. And here we have the parish vision and mission statement. Our Lady of Manawag Parish is a community called together by God through our Mother Mary of Manawag to place God first in all things, to proclaim Jesus Christ through prayers, sacraments, and services.